Have you ever heard of Nyatoh? Nyatoh cabinets are our new promotion. It's the European-inspired kitchen, especially for those who love minimalist style with a rare touch. Nyatoh isn't laminated. It's painted by any color you wish for. We collab with famous paint product manufacturing company, so your cabinet quality is guaranteed. It also has a surface that easy to clean. Look at how shiny is this. This gives us like the feel of pure luxury. Nyatoh is also winning in the weight. Compared to other kitchens, Nyatoh's weight is heavier, meaning it's more sustainable and lasts longer. Nyatoh offers complete design freedom. It lets you design your dream from the cabinets themselves to the verticalization. Customize ventilation options, keep your kitchen cool and fresh, and you can customize any type of verticalization design you want. You can also add frame on your cabinets as you wish. Nyatoh is a solid and rare wood. These cabinets can handle more chopping, stirring, and slamming. It's so exclusive, so it is very rare to find. We've got our own factory, so we can craft anything your heart desires. So Nyatoh cabinets are waiting to transform your kitchen into the envy of the gram. Just don't be surprised if everyone wants to hang out your house now, especially in the kitchen. You know, you can get free consultation from our salesperson and free 3D drawing from our designer. So hit us now if you're interested. Well, you must be. Also, if you book from us until 30th June, you can get free cleaning service for the whole house. Boleh lah relax sikit kan?